So how hard is it to pull all of that off your fingers?
Super hard. It's very hot outside, so that's why we decided to do an inside video. This is like quicksand.
If you're not talking to them, just looking them down, little scowl. Action! Perfect.
Welcome to Vdad. Today we're going to be making some slime. First off, we've got the glue and borax.
They call that magic liquid.
Magic liquid and glare glue. Put that with the glues and the stirry thing, the spatula we're going to stir it with.
Yeah. We're going to try not to make too much
Of a mess.
Well, try not to make too much of a mess. Here, this spatula or this bowl is kind of bangy on the counter. It's kind of loud, so put it on here so it'll be a little quieter. That way you can hear us talk, and you can see what we're doing, and we'll make some slime. After all, you can't really be on YouTube these days and not make slime. And well, she wanted to make slime today, so I decided, well, I guess today's the day.
Yeah.
It
is the summer, so. It's very hot outside, so that's why we decided to do an inside video.
Right.
Because it is way too darn hot to do an outdoor video.
That's right. It's not that cool inside either because we have to turn the air conditioner off to make our video. But it's not so bad. All right,
Yeah,
so let's open this up.
at least we have the roof.
So, because we have to empty this whole container in, we're going to take it off here instead of open the top. So you want to screw that top? All right. Whoa. All right. Go ahead. So let's go ahead. Here, take your stirrer out. Dump that whole thing in. And what you're going to have to do is probably just hold it there for a little bit. What?
I think you might have drooled a little.
I'm probably sweating.
Sweat.
So hold that super still and just let it drizzle in for a second.
We want to take this part off to make the job go faster. Dad, can you take this part off?
Let's see. Yeah. Okay, wait. Let me get my little camera. All right, go ahead.
Now this will make the job go faster. That slow way is
The slow way is for people with patience. Here, I got another suggestion. Here,
but we don't want your eyes to hurt, so we gotta make this kind of fast.
Right. So I think if we squeeze it from the bottom here, Daddy can get a little bit more out. All right. Set this aside. So now we're going to stir that up and mix the color in before we add the activator, okay?
So they called us super speed. I'm gonna go human power super speed. We're not gonna edit this and I'm gonna really go super speed. Real life. Whoa, look at that.
So in general, you want to be a little careful stirring stuff fast, but this isn't very splashy because it's so thick.
Oh, my dad's just
Did your funny again? I'm sorry.
It is so sweaty in here.
You know why I'm so sweaty? It's not because it's so hot in here. It's because I've been running around trying to get ready for the past 15 minutes, setting up our lights, setting up our cameras, cleaning off the counter, gathering materials.
This is really sticky.
And the whole time, my helper
Super
was giving me extra motivation by what were you doing the whole time?
asking.
Asking if we were ready to start yet.
Well,
That's right.
look at that.
It's pretty neat, huh? Is this fun though? It's fun making slime. Kids seem to love making slime these days.
Yeah.
I would like to have a special guest on, a slime expert that we know in our community.
We are.
But we'll do this one first, and then we'll do maybe a follow-up video, make a bigger batch of slime. So are you supposed to dump all of that in, or are you supposed to dump a little bit in and stir it, and then add a little bit more in until it's ready?
That's just to make it go quicker.
Okay, that one is splashy, so we can't stir that as fast, okay? You can stir it, but not fast, okay? Otherwise it'll splash out.
You gotta go slow and steady like the tortoise.
The answer to my multiple choice question, by the way, was the second one. You're supposed to add a little bit in, mix it in, and then add a little bit more until you get to the consistency you want. So just throwing it all in might not work very good.
If you're ever making slime, please do not get it on any furniture.
Right. What about in your eyes? Should you get it in your eyes?
No. Keep it in bowl or on a counter.
How about in your hair? Should you put slime in your hair?
No!
Should you put slime in your shoes?
No.
Should you put slime in your mom's shoes?
No.
No. How about, should you keep slime in the bowl?
Yes. Or on the counter.
Okay.
Or the table.
So you seem to have a sticky mess in the middle with a bunch of, it's real thick in the middle now, but there's still the clear activator floating all around the sides. So it's going to be a little bit of a challenge to stir it up. Probably why you're supposed to add it slowly. But hey, what do I know?
Hey, just get the job done slower, so this video's long enough, but it doesn't hurt your eyes. I'm staring at you.
You are. So I'm trying to get this mixed up a little better.
Staring means just looking at someone. Very.
Right, without looking away or blinking.
Yeah, just.
You probably could blink and people would still say that you're staring if you just keep your gaze fixed upon them. Especially if you're not saying anything.
I want to touch this.
When if someone's talking and you're looking at them and looking in their eyes, then that's considered polite. That's making eye contact. But if you're not talking to them, just looking them down, a little scowl. It could be considered aggressive among certain primates. Also geese.
I want to touch this.
Don't stand up there, please.
Alright, I want to touch.
So while we're talking about staring, which has nothing at all to do with slime, I stared down a goose once and it attacked me. So
Don't do that.
don't stare at geese.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah.
Slime.
So we may be
I
at a
want to
point.
mix this with my
I
hands.
was about to say I think you're going to have to mix it with your hands to really get the job done. So
All
pull,
right.
pull all the slime off the spatula.
Okay, we're getting as much off as we can.
Pull off. There we go.
As much as you can off. Look at this. Look. Oh. Oh, Mom. Look at that. Ooh, and look at my hands.
All right. So what I want you to do is grab the slime and kind of really squish it together, okay? And that'll help mix it in more and get an even consistency. You kind of squish it and pull it. You've seen enough slime videos, right?
No, I haven't. Well, technically I have, but not making. Wow. Look at this. I feel like I'm holding a Minecraft blob.
So this was, and
That's what I feel like I'm holding.
I did mention it before, this was the Elmer's
Blue.
Elmer's Glue Slime Starter Kit. I was going to interrupt him. So Elmer's having quite recognized the popularity of slime, a sudden trend. I'm sure you've been able to do this forever, and maybe people did, but I'd never heard of it until people started making YouTube videos about it.
About slime.
Right. But Elmer's Glue isn't new. Borax isn't new. I don't think this is borax. I don't know what's in here.
Borax. It's borax.
Well, it's some kind of liquid
Whoa.
detergent.
Look at this. Woohoo! Whoa! Oh, my hands have sunken just like quicksand. This is like quicksand. Oh! You know why my hand is moving so slow? Because of how stiff. Oh, hey! Hey!
So how hard is it to pull all of that off your fingers?
Super hard.
We'll try. See if you can kind of rub them around and get it all to stick to itself and then come off in one lump.
Okay. I don't feel
So there's your Vdad slime video.
No!
I will go ahead and end it, and then you can keep doing it and pretend the cameras are still rolling. How's that sound? Anyway, thanks for watching Vdad. This is our slime video.
Actress. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and Dad, should we tell them to follow us on Twitter and Facebook?
Sure. Follow us on Twitter and Facebook. You'll be glad you did.
Yeah.
Your life will be richer for it.
Yes. We will give you money.
Yeah, no, we won't. But thanks for watching. Perfect.